Hello, my name is Jose Correa, a technical marketing engineer at Cisco, and today we'll be going to go through episode 1 of Cisco DNA Spaces 101. First of all, we want to do an overview of DNA Spaces. Here is our agenda for episode 1. First, we will learn what is DNA Spaces. Next, we will navigate the DNA Spaces dashboard. And lastly, we'll go through the different licensing tiers and applications. The first thing I want to go through before starting is what is DNA Spaces? DNA Spaces is the next generation of location-based services designed to bring business outcomes on top of infrastructure. Cisco DNA Spaces takes the location services portfolio at Cisco and integrates all the products and capabilities into this single dashboard and cloud platform. Here you can see the dashboard, and you can see all the features and modules that appear on this dashboard. And this is separated into 3 different licensing tiers. We have C, Act, and Extend. And we'll go further into those licensing tiers in a bit. As you can see from this dashboard, the home screen contains a header and a body to provide access to specific functions. In this header over here, you can access location hierarchy, integrations, monitoring your network, admin management, IoT services, and setup. This makes it easy to navigate through all the different services. At the top over here, we can see quick digitization stats. Here we can see the number of locations deployed, the number of access points, the square footage, location updates received to date, the number of visitors, as well as the number of visits. This is a quick, easy way to view location data in your site. Next, we'll be describing some of the app tiles. As you can see, the first license is the C license. This is where you can get insights and trends into the behavior of people and things. Now we have the behavior metrics, which displays insights into visitor behavior based on data captured. We have the right now application, which we can see the metrics of your location right now. Next, we have camera metrics, which are metrics based on the Meraki camera data. And then we have open roaming, which enables zero-touch Wi-Fi access and seamless roaming from cellular networks without collecting user identification. We get location analytics, where we gain visibility of customer behavior and patterns in a more granular way. Then we have detect and locate, so we can detect and locate any of our data within the maps. And then now we have impact analysis, which we can see the number of events and changes based on the behavior metrics. So really the C license gets you the insights and trends. So for example, if you're a business worker, you can go on to behavior metrics, and you can see that the visit duration, the visit frequency, and the visit distribution per day. And then you can make decisions based on that. For example, if you're in retail, I can see that we are visited most during a specific time of day, and I can adjust my hours based on that. Next up, we have the Act license. So a lot of the features in the Act contain applications that are used to leverage our insights. The first one would be our captive portal, which allows you to create and customize different portals depending on our customer needs. For example, we can create something for our visitors, or we can create something for our employees to allow them to connect to our network. Engagements are action-based activities that upon visitors' behavior in a physical space, such as entering or exiting a specific location, we can create an act for them. For example, we can send them a message if they've been in a space for a specific time that they get a discount or a free drink. And this really lets you curate the experience for your visitors. Then we have location personas, which allow you to tag visitors based on their behavior at a specific space. So if we can see that a certain customer comes frequently on this specific time, or how many customers come in the evening or in the afternoon, then we can assign that data to assign personas to specific customers. Next, we have Asset Locator, which allows us to tag and monitor our assets at our specific locations and detect anomalies, and as well as trigger alerts. Next, we have our Proximity Reporting, which creates reports to understand where a device was within our network and if they were in proximity of other devices or people. We'll go through an example of how we can create actions based on that. So we have here a captive portal, and we can quickly see an example of a captive portal right here. And here we can create and customize portals that will allow our customers to have a greater customer experience and also collect more additional data from them. Last but not least, we have our Extend license tier. This tier is all about how we can drive business outcomes with partner apps and enterprise integrations. The first application you can see is our IoT device marketplace. Here, you can visit to learn about devices that are DNA Spaces capable and tailored to your specific industry and use cases. These can include temperature sensors, motion sensors, and much more. All of these white applications are our partner applications. So these different applications can specify and deliver a specific outcome based on your needs. Things like healthcare tracking, patient tracking, or wayfinding, or smart campus mapping are all capable from these different applications and more. So where can we find these specific applications? That's on our Get Partner Apps portal. This is where we'll be able to launch our partner applications and leveraging our standard data and capabilities from DNA Spaces and through our all the data coming from our Firehose API. Now we'll review what we've learned today. We've learned that DNA Spaces is a location-based service designed to deliver business outcomes. Secondly, we learned about the DNA Spaces dashboard, how to navigate it, and its capabilities as a single pane of glass for all your location-based service needs. Lastly, we have our different licensing tiers, See, Act, and Extend, and going through that as well as the capabilities of each application. If you learned something today or enjoyed the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel.